Hi everyone, welcome to Som Thai Cooking. Today I'm gonna make chicken green curry and my recipe is no fish sauce. And most of the ingredient and the product I use like Thai restaurant. Let's go have a look. Chicken green curry today, gonna have chicken. I use chicken thigh today because chicken thigh quite tender. We have green bean, carrot, the way I cut, I show you because we want to presentation also in the food, and when we cook in the pot gonna be look really nice style. And basil is Thai basil for green curry. Also we use with stir fry this basil. And we have water. We have coconut cream. I prefer you use this brand because most Thai restaurants they use this brand. The taste really fresh, like they like a Thai market in Thailand, and this is the best brand we use. And really thick and creamy and fresh. This one you can find from Asia shop, but this one green curry paste you can find in Woolworth and Asia shop. This is quite popular and the best green curry. We have chicken seasoning powder. It means this one. Chicken seasoning powder, but I want to show you is the bag. This one we can find in Asian shop most. Like chicken seasoning powder is good for the soup and the taste very beautiful. And salt and oil, any oil and sugar. And the bamboo, I add the bamboo. Bamboo they come with can like this. You can find also Asian shop. By the way, before we cook, we have to soak this, wash it out with hot water. I show you. Because the taste quite sour. If we wash out with hot water, the taste gonna be gone. Little bit gone, the sour gone. When we cook in the soup, it's really tasty. For one serve. If you cook for 2 serves, you can add more. I add 1 teaspoon. Then stretching like this on. Smells so beautiful. And then we add the chicken in. Little bit of sauce, another half of 1 tablespoon, 1 of chicken seasoning powder, and sugar. Always we have to taste first before we finish, so we can know what taste we like. Ready? Bean and we add carrot and we add bamboo. We're not gonna add the Thai basil yet because it's Thai basil gonna make the smell a lot. We put it in when they nearly finished. Okay, Thai basil in because we turn off. We turn the gas off first and we can add Thai basil in because it's the Thai basil gonna make smell beautiful in the green curry. That's why I do this way. And just enough for you think is you like it, and we mix together. They'll really fresh for green curry. We have rice on the sides. Chicken green curry is finished. I hope you guys can do it like me. And all ingredients right Thai restaurant. And you can make for family and friends. Easy and delicious. See you next clip. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.